That's the moral of the story is, this beast does indeed work.
To sand all this would have taken forever to get up in there, all these grooves, you know, just around, down in here. I got the edges though, all the way around the door jambs, around the whole windshield frame, the front of the dash, under the dash. A lot of areas, you know, it would take you forever to sand in and out of here. And
There you have it. Sand blaster for a pressure washer. It was a little messy outside, but it worked.
This setup here, about $100. Now, I will tell you right now that it's not quite as aggressive. I tend to want to be a little bit more gentle on my parts. Now, for the price, I'm real happy with it. So with that, let's get out here and try it out. Sometimes it takes us a couple of seconds for the sand to really kind of get up in there and start blasting. So once it does, it starts stripping this stuff off pretty well.